Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to program Philips Universal Remote to Vizio TV. Start by making sure your Vizio TV is powered on. You can do this by pressing the power button directly on the TV or using the original remote if you still have it. The TV needs to be on before you begin programming. Now take your Philips Universal Remote. Press and hold the setup button. Keep holding it until you see the indicator light turn on. Once the light stays on, release the setup button. Next, press and release the TV button on the remote. This tells the remote that you want to program it for a television. Now it is time to enter a code. Using the number keypad on the remote, type in the first Vizio code listed in your manual. Here are some common 5-digit codes you can try. Enter the code slowly and carefully. Watch the indicator light. If the code is correct, the light will turn off right after you finish entering it. If the light blinks several times, that means the code did not work. In that case, try the next code from the list and repeat the process. Once the light turns off, point the remote directly at your TV. Press the power button on the remote. If the TV turns off, that means the setup worked and your remote is now programmed. If the TV does not turn off, repeat the steps using a different code until you find one that works. Thanks for watching.